Okay. Hey guys. So, um, tried to record this like 2 seconds ago, but my headphones was not plugged in, so that is really embarrassing. Um, I was just listening to someone that I really admire, and they told me to chase after things that I really want with no regrets. And today is not going to be a gaming video. I don't want my channel to be just gaming videos. You know, I I have a lot more that I want to share with you guys, and one of those things is my voice and my words. Um, I've been writing poetry since elementary school, maybe even before that. As soon as I could write my name, I've wanted to write. As soon as I could read a sentence, I've wanted to put words down. And um, I was listening to someone that I really admire, and they told me to not regret things. And I already have a million things that I've regretted. Um, but this channel is something that I don't regret. The chances that I've taken this year is nothing. Nothing that I've done this year is something that I regret. Um, I came to this apartment completely on my own, and I've never done something like that, and I don't regret doing that. Um, and I couldn't have done that if I didn't choose myself. And I've Ooh, in my 24 in my 24 years of living, I've never chosen myself until 2022. So yeah, gosh. So in light of me choosing myself, uh, last December, um, I wrote a poem and I shared it on my TikTok, and it did pretty well. It was the first poem that I ever shared with people, and honestly, it did pretty well. I never thought that my poetry would reach people, but it did. And I want my channel to be more than gaming. Um, I want my words to reach y'all as well. I want my content to reach y'all in so many more ways than just screaming at the screen. Instead of more than just being scared, I want y'all to get to know me. And a way that y'all could get to know me is in the words that I write. I love poetry, and okay, what I'm trying to get at is I did a poem in 2022, in December of 2022, and I want to share that with y'all today. And I hope that y'all will allow me to share more poetry with y'all in the future. Okay. So, gosh. Um, so the poem is called I Love. I love even when it's hard, even when the applause stops and the curtain closes and the crowd exits. I love even when it's hard, even when I know I'm not the only one. You can come and go and be free to be, but I will remain here because I love you as you are. Even if you ask me to change, I know I can, so just give me some time to prove just how much love I have for you. because I love you even when it's hard. Okay, so I just put my poetry all over the internet, which can either be really embarrassing or really empowering. Honestly, it's empowering as fuck. Um, I'm happy. Thank you, baby. Um, I don't want to live regretting anything anymore. If there's anything that I could tell y'all, if there's anybody, if there's one person I could reach, do something that you're afraid of. Like, I'm about to go cry. No, no, I don't want to put that in there. Um, thank you guys so much for listening, and I'm gonna go.